Okay, there was a mix up with the number. This is the like the second 10, okay, which is just the geometric mean stuff. So you're finding the value of the missing variable here. So you have a triangle and a altitude that cuts through it. Okay, there's basically two right triangles in here, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it. So notice the left side was x and 6 for that, and the other part is x and 3. This is useful, right? Because you have the long side and the short side, long side and short side known here. This allows you to actually set up the ratio here. Okay, so the ratio I'm going to set up is 6 over x is equal to x over 3. All right, so long leg over the short leg is equal to the long leg x over the short leg. Cross multiply. This is just the formula for the geometric mean as well. X times x equals to 6 times 3, which is 18. Square root both sides. Square root 18 does simplify because there's a perfect square of 9 in there. So the square root of 18 breaks down to square root of 9 times square root 2. Square root of 9 becomes 3. This should be a 3, not an 8. This should be a 3. So this should be 3 radical 2. All right. Okay, I'm going to fix it in the end. All right. Okay, let's look at B. I'm going to split this into two parts. So I have the bigger triangle here, which is y, and the hypotenuse, which is 7. The smaller part here is the y and the 2. This is important because the y is the hypotenuse in this triangle. The 7 is the hypotenuse for the bigger triangle. Y is the short leg, 2 is that short leg. This allows you to set up this ratio. Y over 7, okay, y over 7, so y over hypotenuse is equal to 2 over hypotenuse, which is y. Cross multiply, you get y squared is equal to 14. Square root both sides, you get y equals square root 14. Nothing happens, okay, but I have to fix this. This should be a 3 radical 2, okay? Square root 9 becomes 3, right? And that's it. Because you can't simplify radical 14, that's why.